Okay guys, this is kind of what the area would have looked like before with all the privet. And as you can see, there's a ton of privet in there and stuff. But here is the area that I hand cleared. And what I did was I went in and I flagged all of the new culms that had grown as a result of that clearing. And as you can see, not only are they new culms growing up, which is exciting, but the biggest thing is look at the height on some of these culms, and the diameter is about probably an inch on some of these culms. So I'm really excited with what we've been able to do in this area. Look at all those new, and those are new culms. Again, those didn't exist before we actually cut all the privet out. So guys, there's kind of what we've done. You can see in the background with the red flags on all of the culms that have come up. So there seems to be a relationship between the size of the rhizome and the size of the culm. Realistically, within, gosh, not even a full season, but a half season, probably about 3 months after clearing the privet, we have large diameter culms coming up. So, you know, the next thing is to figure out how to get the rhizomes from these large diameter culms in enough of a size to be able to produce a patch that would eventually allow some harvesting in a shorter period of time than like 20 years. So that's kind of exciting, kind of neat information I just thought I would share. Thanks.